Hi everyone, it's Sharon. I thought I would hop on real quick for a short, sweet video today to do a little celebrating and a little happy dance. Somehow this week I just snuck right on by 1,000 subscribers and I'm just so thoroughly excited. Really thankful to everyone, whether you've been a subscriber for a day or a year. So happy to be where I am right now. That was one of my goals for this year and I've met it in March. So I'm going to have to set myself a new goal for the year. So to celebrate, I would like to do a little giveaway, and I've decided to do just a little package, a little bundle of 3 spiral journals that I made. So this will be the giveaway prize, and I will make it short and sweet because that's how I like it. So to enter, all you have to do is to be a subscriber and to comment below on this video. My preference would be that you leave a comment and let me know what type of tutorial or craft with me you would like to see in the future. I'd like to put together a little list of things maybe to work on over the coming months, so that would help me a lot. But whatever comment you want to make down below, that would be fantastic. So thanks everyone, and until next time, bye-bye.